in Vancouver. They're Canada's first team to qualify for the Vex World Championship, and they'll head to California later this month. We are joined this morning by Gordon Ho, Kaka Chung, and William Fan, and the robot is here as well. Welcome to CTV Morning Live, you guys. Does this robot have a name, by the way?
The robot itself doesn't have a name.
Doesn't have its name. Are you going to name it? No? You guys might want to name it, just saying. It's going to be on TV a lot. You might want to give it a name.
We'll consider it.
So, as we mentioned, it's an SFU UBC team. You guys have come together to work on this robot. Why did you guys decide to work together on a project?
Well, back in high school, me and Kakit were actually from the same high school team for Vex Robotics. And when we went to universities, he went to UBC and I went to SFU. So we both decided to start a brand new Vex Robotics team in the respective universities. And since this is the first year, we only had enough funding for one team and one robot to go to Worlds. And at the World Championship, it's required to have 2 robots, so we decided to join together and go as one team.
So why do you think this could be a winner for you?
Well, back in high school, our region is very experienced and very high-level competition. And 3 years in a row in grade 10 to 12, we've actually qualified and been to the high school World Championship 3 years in a row. So we think we've got the skills and expertise to hopefully do well at Worlds.
I want to get a couple of these balls back out here because I want to see what this robot can do. There we go. And so, how long did it take you to build this robot?
So, we started working on the robot itself in January. So it only took us about 3 months to build to, as you see it here. And that's actually a very short frame of time because normal other robotics competitions, they take years to build a robot. So.
Fantastic. What do you think your competition is going to be like?
There are a couple of very strong teams from New Zealand as well as Mexico because for some of the Mexican teams, the Vex Robotics system is actually part of their curriculum. So they have more demand as well as more students actively competing in the competition.
So what are the judges looking for then when they're judging a robot?
They're looking for quality of your design and how well you've documented the process of your creation. They're looking at build quality. They're also looking at how it performs on the field, how well you score, and how well it performs during the competition, as well as the sportsmanship of your team and how, I don't know.
Okay. Well, now, William, doing a great job, by the way, on the remote control there. Is it easy to operate? Is that something the judges look for?
Would you like to try?
Oh, really? I'd love to. Exciting. Okay. Am I going to be able to do this?
The 2 joysticks, they move.
I'm terrible at video games. Did I mention that?
If you want to go forward, you both.
Oh, and backwards, backwards. Yeah. Okay, and I want to go to the side.
Is one front and one back.
Yeah. And how do I drop the ball?
With your index fingers on the left side.
Oh, here we go.
The bottom one pushes the ball up. Yeah.
Okay.
And you can also lift the arm, too, with the right triggers.
Oh, that's great. You know what? I'm not good at this. But I'm going to let you do it because you're so much better. But listen, you know, this is such a great opportunity for you guys because are there some important people that could be there watching you guys to maybe give you some opportunities in the future?
Yeah. 1 year at the World Championships, we met the director of NASA.
Yeah, the director of NASA giving us the Inspire Award back in 2011. And this was at the World Championships.
Wow. So there's a lot of opportunity here. What does building robotics mean as far as, you know, future opportunities? Is this something that you'd like to do to make a living at?
Like, for us as engineers, this is pretty much what we're interested in, and this ties in really well with what we learn in school. Like, we have sit-down lectures with math and physics, and at robotics is where you can really use those ideas and concepts and create something practical and hands-on with the knowledge you learned from school.
Okay, but listen, when do you guys head off, by the way, to the World Championships?
In 2.5 weeks.
2.5 weeks. Okay, so this is ready to go. This is what you're going there with.
Yes.
This is going to win it for you, right?
Yes.
Okay, well, listen, I wish you guys the best of luck. Thank you so much for bringing your robot, which still needs a name, I'm going to say. Thanks for joining us on the morning show. Appreciate it. That's Kaka, Gordon, and William. You might hear more from them. Good luck with the competition. For more information on the Vex U team, you can check out our website, ctvmorninglive.ca. I wish I was better at steering that thing, but you're doing a pretty good job, William. And over to you.
Keep practicing now, Carrie, off camera. You just keep working on that. Thanks, guys, for coming in. On the roads right now, we're just dealing with volume and the rain.